Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to strip the concrete. So I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process how we improve the look of this concrete. As you can see, it's in a very deplorable condition. Heavy rains and thunderstorm has washed off the paint. So we have decided to just strip it off, and make it look better. So I'm just going to show you what it looked like before it actually started peeling. So this video is 2 years ago. So basically in this video it started stripping. There are little patches in the concrete where the paint has lifted. So we realized that no, this thing is gonna get worse. But this is the only video I can find. So I'm just showing you what it basically looked like before it got worse. So now we're going to use this little angle grinder to do the stripping. I know it's the hardest method, the longest method. We're trying to source a big grinder, but in the meantime we're just going to try to help ourselves. And I just want to let you know that we have tried a lot of other methods to remove it. We tried acid pour, we tried power washer, we tried paint stripper, and none of these methods work. So the only method that is going to work for us now is just to use this little angle grinder with the cup wheel on it, and just try to help ourselves in the meantime. So we ran out of cup wheel and we are waiting on some more cup wheel to come. So in the meantime, I'm doing my part. My part is to design. So I am here using a 1x6 piece of board, creating the design in the concrete. So we are going to cut the concrete. Yes, we are going to cut the concrete and we are going to lay some artificial grass, artificial turf in the slots that we cut out. So the design that I'm creating here is going to make it look like we have concrete pavers. So in between these pavers, we're going to have some artificial turf. So now we are just going to cut on the lines that I marked out. After the cutting, we use the jackhammer to just dig out the portions of concrete that we cut earlier. So this is what it looks like after all of it has been cut. So as you can see, it looks like we have concrete pavers. As you can see, during the process with the jackhammer, some of the edges chipped off. They broke off, so we'd have to patch them back with cement, and also we will have to use cement to float portions of the concrete. After we cleaned up, we patched portions of the concrete and floated parts of it. We did not get to video that because we were just all in cement. So now we are placing some fine gravel in the areas where we cut out before we lay the grass. Then we'll use some concrete nail to nail in the grass. So guys, I just want you to know that the concrete will be grinded some more and polished as soon as we get a large concrete grinder to rent. We are just doing this for an event, a wedding that we have coming up in a few days. So basically we are just making a quick fix. So after the wedding we will come back to continue the work, and in another video we will show you how we finish off the concrete by polishing it and sealing it with a concrete sealer. But for now I'm just showing you how we improve it, you know, just to make it look much better for the wedding. After putting in the stones in between the pavers, I'm now compacting it with a piece of 2x4 board. Now I'm using an electric scissors to cut the artificial grass. You can use X-Acto knife or, you know, a sharp blade. So now I'm installing the grass. After I'm finished installing all the pieces, I'm going to use some concrete nail to nail them in the concrete. So guys, this is how the concrete turned out for now. I'm just going to use a blower to blow it off. Then I'm going to use the power washer to wash it with some soap along with a scrubbing brush. If you like the video, remember to leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Continue to watch to the end. And bye guys. I'll see you in the next DIY video.